coming a day when no heartache shall come, no more clouds in the skies, no more tears to dim the eyes, and all is peace forevermore on that happy golden shore. Oh, what a day, what a glorious day that will be. Oh, what a day that will be when my Jesus I shall see. And when I look upon his face, the one who saved me by his grace, and when he takes me by the hand and leads me through the promised land. Oh, what a day, what a glorious day that will be. Oh, there will